Paw Patrol chase and Marshall to the rescue. It was a bright and sunny morning in Adventure Bay. The birds were chirping, the sun was shining, and the Paw Patrol pups were ready for action. Ryder was just about to start a fun game of fetch with the pups when suddenly, beep, beep, beep. Ryder's pup pad lit up. Ryder answered quickly, and Farmer Yumi's face appeared on the screen. She looked worried. "Hi, Ryder. I need help. There's a big problem at my orchard. A strong wind knocked over some fences, and now the sheep are wandering around, munching on my apple trees. I need help getting them back where they belong," said Farmer Yumi. Ryder smiled reassuringly. "Don't worry, Farmer Yumi. No job is too big. No pup is too small. We're on our way." Ryder turned to the team. "Paw Patrol, to the lookout!" The pups barked excitedly and zoomed to the lookout tower, sliding down the poles and gathering around Ryder. Ryder explained the situation. "Farmer Yumi needs our help. The wind blew down her fences, and her sheep are loose in the orchard. We need to get them back to their pen before they eat all her apples." Chase stood tall, wagging his tail. "Chase is on the case." Marshall tumbled forward with an excited grin. "I'm fired up," Ryder nodded. "Chase, we'll need you to use your megaphone to help herd the sheep. Marshall, bring your water cannon just in case we need to guide them gently with a spray of water." "Let's roll!" barked Chase. The pups hopped into their vehicles, Chase in his police cruiser and Marshall in his red fire truck. With a loud vroom, they sped off toward Farmer Yumi's orchard. When they arrived, Farmer Yumi was waving near the gate. "Oh, thank goodness you're here," she said. "The sheep are everywhere." Chase looked around and saw fluffy white sheep munching happily on apple trees. Ryder gave the pups their instructions. "Chase, use your megaphone to call the sheep. Marshall, be ready to help guide any stubborn ones with a gentle spray of water." Chase barked, "I'm on it!" He pulled out his megaphone and spoke clearly. "Attention, sheep! Please head back to the pen!" Some of the sheep perked up their ears and started moving, but a few stubborn ones kept munching on the apples. Marshall giggled. "Looks like they really love those apples." He aimed his water cannon and gave a gentle spritz of water near the sheep's hooves. Bah! The sheep were surprised and trotted away from the trees, heading toward the pen. But just when they thought they had all the sheep, one little lamb named Lulu dashed away, running fast toward the orchard's big hill. "Oh no! Lulu's running away!" cried Farmer Yumi. "Don't worry, we'll catch her," said Chase. Chase and Marshall raced after Lulu. She was quick, but the pups were determined. "I have an idea," said Marshall. "Chase, you go around that side, and I'll block this side. We'll guide her back together." Chase nodded. "Great plan, Marshall." Chase zoomed around the hill, while Marshall stayed on the other side. When Lulu saw both pups, she stopped, unsure of where to go. Chase spoke gently through his megaphone. "It's okay, Lulu. Let's go back to Farmer Yumi." Marshall wagged his tail and smiled. "Come on, little lamb. We'll keep you safe." Lulu blinked her big eyes and slowly trotted toward Chase. The pups carefully guided her back down the hill and into the pen with the other sheep. "Hooray!" cheered Farmer Yumi. "Thank you, Paw Patrol. You saved my orchard and kept my sheep safe." Chase smiled. "Just doing our job," Marshall added with a giggle, "and no apples were harmed during the rescue." Everyone laughed. Ryder gave the pups a thumbs up. "Great teamwork, Chase and Marshall. You both were pawsome." The pups wagged their tails proudly. Another mission complete, thanks to the Paw Patrol. The end. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more coloring story time videos.